scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in our last session, we have discussed about GIMP for the PC. In that, I have told you that GIMP is the photo editing software. You can create drawings in GIMP using different drawing tools just like Microsoft Paint and Tux Paint. GIMP also has tools like pencil, paintbrush and selection tool that help you to create drawings. Today I am going to tell you about GIMP for the Android. For this, firstly you have to go to Play Store and in the search box just type GIMP for Android. It will give you a list of number of GIMP like software. First one, it is XGIMP image editor. You will click on it and you will install it in your phone. Once it is installed in your mobile phone, you have to open it by clicking on open button. Once you have installed XGIMP editor in your Android phone, then this type of icon it will appear on the mobile screen. You have to tap on this icon, you will get this kind of screen. If you want to create new file, then click on new option, you will get a new file in front of you. Here you can draw anything with the help of tools. Go to tools, click on the tools icon, you will get different kind of tools in it just like MS Paint and Tux Paint. Here you will find brush, stamp, zoom, line, text, eraser, fill, etc. all types of tools in it. Here first of all I am telling you how can you use line tool. Just select line tool like this and you can draw anything with the help of line tool. In this way you can make drawing with the help of line tool. Now I am going to tell you how can you use fill tool. For this, first you need to select fill tool like this. After that you have to fill it with color. If you want to select different color, see in the color chooser and select any one color from it. After that click on the drawing area where you want to fill this color. So by tapping on the area where you want to fill the color, you will get same color which you have selected. After this I am going to explain you about eraser tool. Suppose you have drawn wrong lines or wrong picture, how can you erase it? With the help of eraser tool. Just select the eraser tool. After that you can erase your drawing like this as I am showing you on the screen. So in this way, with the help of eraser tool, you can erase your drawings. Next, I am telling you about circle tool. If you want to draw a circle, you can select it and you can draw it anywhere. If you want to change the color of circle, again go to color chooser, select any color from it. After that click on done. So in this way the color of this circle it has been changed. If you want to undo this action, you can click on undo button. Now if you want to rotate any picture, then there is a tool rotate. If you want to add some text, then there is one tool present in this list, it is text tool. Once you will select it, you will get text tool settings dialog box. Here you want to enter your text, then for this firstly you have to select the format options like U stands for underlining the text, I stands for making the text in italic form, B stands for bold, means if you want to type your text in dark form. So I am selecting B because I want to type my text in dark form. After that I have to choose the font size. By default it is showing 20. If you have to select another font size, you can choose it as per your requirement. I have selected 30 font size. Whichever the text you want to enter here, just click on the text box and start typing your text. As I am typing here my drawing like this. After typing this text, you can click on done option. So by clicking on done button, you have entered your text also in the drawing. So in this way you can add text in your drawing with the help of text tool. Same way you can use another tools present in the list. Here you can see one zoom tool is there if you want to increase or decrease the size of your picture. If you want to use brush tool, select brush tool, and after that you can use your brush in this way. In this way you can make drawings with the help of brush tool. So that's all for today. Hope you have learned all the tools properly. Just try it on your device today, and I hope you have enjoyed today's session. Thank you so much.